In this video, I want to talk about how you can place an order without immediate payment. Now, to do this, we need to use the buy now, pay later feature that some regions have. Now, keep in mind, this is not available for everyone, and I don't have the feature, but some countries have this feature. So you want to go to the checkout, and inside of here, if you see the option to pay with Klarna, which is Klarna, then you want to simply choose that one. And what that one is basically you can buy it now, but you will have to pay later. So Klarna is a feature that some regions have, and if you have that one, you can definitely do this. If you don't have that one, unfortunately, as of this date right here, you will not be able to do it unless you can use PayPal and use the pay in four, which means you're gonna pay in 4 different rates. But for most people, this is not available either. So those are the only ways that you can currently do it. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.